Hey everybody, here's a really quick, fun, low-cost way. My niece Susan has this bat that she carries around, and we decided we're going to sand it down with a little bit of sandpaper, 80 grit and 160 grit. Using some old paint I had at the house, we painted the tops and bottom silver, and then we taped off those parts that we want to stay silver. Let me go ahead and thank my good friends Tina S., Marie, and now my sister Jessica for always getting me the stencils I need. They always have these cool designs off their Cricuts. And this one's for Susan. So we go ahead and put the Susan name on it, and our temple from Cambodia is going to be above it. Keep in mind it's old bat, so it does have some dings. And then we ended up painting the entire bat black. We wanted it to have a little bit of a shine, so luckily it was one of those older paints that I had sitting around. Once we painted everything and it dried after an hour, we peeled it off, and there you have it, Susan's name with the temple from Cambodia. Again, real simple, low cost things that we already had sitting around the house. Hope Susan enjoys it.